So Dad, how have you been?
I've been quite well. Actually, I've been much better. Actually, I could be better. But if I was worse, I would be better.
Okay.
Because by not being worse, I'm actually better than if I was worse. Because if I was worse, I couldn't be better. But since I am better, I'm not worse.
Okay, I would like to ask you one question.
Don't ask me one, ask me two.
Okay.
The first question was, ask me if you can ask me a question. Then ask me a question. May I ask you a question?
You may.
No, I don't want to ask you a question. I want you to ask me a question. But be polite. May I ask you a question? I can have my own comedy show.
May I ask you a question?
Sure, why not? That's question one. You already asked me a question.
What happened to Harriet Tubman's forehead? How did it get caved in?
Somebody threw a flashlight at her, and she got amnesia, and now she falls asleep a lot. A whole lot.
That is very true, but really it was a waste.
So now, that's what I said happened. So what really happened?
What really happened was...
Tell those people the real story.
See, back when Harriet Tubman first started the Underground Railroad, she went to the store, and this black guy, former slave, he was... Hold on. He was stealing. He was gonna steal something, and then when he tried to steal it, the guy that was selling the stuff saw him, and he threw a weight to stop the guy from running. And Harriet Tubman jumped in the way and got hit in the forehead. So when she got hit in the forehead, she was in a coma. She was in a coma for 26 days, and when she got up, that's what made her decide that she had to leave. And then she went out the first time by herself up through the Underground Railroad. She was just walking, and then the guy stopped and talked to her. And then about 26 trips later, she was taking a group of people to this house, to one of the Underground Railroad houses.
What was the Underground Railroad? What was the purpose of the Underground Railroad?
The Underground Railroad it was a group of houses that led slaves to be free.
So that means they took them from the north to the south?
No.
Or they take them from the south to the north?
From the south to the north. And they would stop
wait a minute. The way I understand it, that there were slaves in the north and slaves in the south.
No, incorrect. So incorrect, Dad. See, because the north, the Union was against slaves. Such as
they was against slavery. They wanted to give slaves. The same ones that were against slavery had slaves.
Yes, they did, but they were freed, basically.
So our family, for example, our masters.
Just